Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why am I so overdressed, that's because I just came back from an event. So how are you all doing? I really hope you all are doing amazing. So as Holi is just around the corner, I thought to film a video where I can share some tips and tricks that I learned from my family, like how you can protect your skin from those harsh Holi colors, and Holi can be a little rough. So I just share a few tips and tricks with you guys, like how you can take some precautions before playing Holi and how you can take care of your skin after you're done playing Holi. So without further ado, let's go into the video. So the number one tip is, I guess everyone would know, is oiling. You should definitely oil your skin and your hair very nicely, because you don't want your skin to get all dried up because of the colors, because they have a lot of chemicals. So yep, and you can use any oil you want to. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. I think coconut oil works the best. So the second tip is to protect little areas like nails and earlobes. So you can apply Vaseline. I'm pretty sure everyone has Vaseline in their house. So what you have to do, just apply onto your ears, on back of your ears, nails, and make sure you apply some nail paint before playing Holi, some dark color, so that it can protect your nails to get rang biranga, and you don't wanna look like that. So just make sure you apply some dark color nail paint and then Vaseline to your cuticles and under your nails. And if you're a guy, and obviously you cannot apply nail paint, so you can just go with Vaseline. Tip number 3 that I want to share with you guys, like if you're someone who wear contact lenses, just don't. Just go with the spectacles, because it will really irritate you if you're gonna wear contact lenses, because once the color reaches your eyes, you're gone. So yeah, make sure you don't wear contact lenses, but if you still want to wear it and you are pretty sure that you're gonna be comfortable, so you can. Tip number 4 that I have, and I personally suggest that you should wear as covered clothes as possible, because obviously the less your skin is exposed, the less color you're gonna get onto your body. So make sure you wear fully covered clothes. Whatever body part is exposed, just make sure you oil them properly, so that color does not just stick to your skin. Yes. So that was all about pre-Holi tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you guys. So once you're done playing Holi, you can scrub off all the colors. You can make a scrub at your home. It's very easy. So what you have to do is you have to take some gram, that is besan, and some semolina, that is suji, and make a paste of them using milk. When your scrub is ready, just apply it on your face and massage it gently, and the color will come off definitely. And yeah, that's all about it. These were all the tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope it helps you. And even if you don't do anything, just don't forget to apply some oil before you go and play Holi, because it will really help. And after you take bath, don't forget to apply moisturizer, because it is really important. Colors make your skin really dry, so make sure you do that. And yeah, that's it about this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and you know the drill. Just subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. And make sure when you subscribe, you hit the bell notification button just next to it, so that every time I'm on YouTube, you will know. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.